Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. Today's video was submitted by a viewer named Robin, who on March 31st of 2022 was delivering food for Uber Eats at around 1:30 a.m. He was operating a 2008 Dodge Caravan for almost 12 hours that day. Fortunately, and somewhat unfortunately, Robin had a dash cam recording his experience. The video shows that as Robin drove from Hillsdale to Kingston Place, he slowed down for the posted stop sign, but did not come to a complete stop. The video also shows a police cruiser pass behind him as he is slowing for the stop sign. He continues to drive, and seconds later, the police cruiser is behind him, meaning the most likely way that they were able to get behind him so quickly is if they traveled the wrong way down a one-way street. Robin continues driving with the NYPD in tow for nearly a mile, making several turns to stay with him, and eventually, officers Christian Knabb and Cameron Wilkins initiates a traffic stop.
How you doing today, sir? Do you have a driver's license on your registration? Everything today's being recorded. I had to do a body camera.
Honestly, I don't have my license with me.
You don't have it with you?
I don't have my license with me.
Okay. Where are you coming from tonight?
I'm the Uber Eats.
Uber Eats?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have any alcohol in your system at all?
No, none.
None at all? Okay. Do you have any ID on you? Anything at all? Your wallet?
Honestly, I'm going to be very honest with you.
Yeah.
My license is suspended.
Okay.
I don't have it with me.
Okay. Alright, so just do me a favor. Just pop open the door for me.
Okay.
I know what you guys are thinking. Lack. What gives? His license is suspended. Well, the vehicle also had no insurance or registration, so Robin probably shouldn't have been driving. But that's not why this video is so infuriating. Robin was also arrested and taken into custody for suspected DUI. The officers then search his vehicle, during which they take note of the GPS and dashcam system Robin had set up for Uber Eats. But instead of towing the unregistered and uninsured vehicle, they decide to drive it back to the precinct. And despite knowing about the dashcam, the officer joyrides the vehicle, aggressively accelerating, failing to maintain a lane, excessively speeding, running through multiple red lights without emergency tones or lights, and absent of an emergency, weaving through vehicles, and honking the horn for no apparent reason, giggling to himself the whole way back to the precinct. The officer joyriding his victim's vehicle has yet to be identified. In fact, this video will be the first news the precinct receives that their officers behaved in such a manner, as it hasn't been viewed by anyone until the airing of this video. Perhaps Deputy Inspector Kevin Chan, commander of the 107th Precinct, could identify his subordinate and tell the community how he feels about this incident, and exactly what the officer will be cited with for the reckless driving in this video. I don't know about you, but I would much rather have Robin slowly roll a stop sign without a license and insurance than to have this guy swerving between lanes, purposefully running red lights, and speeding through residential neighborhoods in a minivan he holds no claim to and has never driven before. Despite the arrest occurring at around 1:30 a.m., Robin alleges that they didn't administer a breathalyzer until almost 3 hours later, which showed he was sober. He was released after being detained for almost 12 hours, and his vehicle was kept for 5 weeks. Robin has reached out to his city council representative, Adrian Adams, but has not received a reply. This incident isn't just an embarrassment for the NYPD, it's a slap in the face to all the citizens they claim to serve. If you're going to initiate a traffic stop on an individual for slow rolling a stop sign and place him in a cell for 12 hours for not having his paperwork current, then let me know in the comments what sort of reprimands Deputy Inspector Kevin Chan should issue to these officers for putting the lives of the public in danger for absolutely no reason. And not just the one driving, but all the other officers on scene that did nothing to stop it and have stayed silent about it. Robin's next court date is August 2nd, but he may take a plea because he cannot afford a private attorney to take this to trial, in hopes that he can at least challenge the case. I've included his GoFundMe in the description and pinned comment if you feel so inclined to offer your assistance. As always, thanks for watching. If you have a video you'd like to submit for review, use the link in the description or pinned comment. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification for future content. And remember to like, share, and comment down below of what you think of this interaction. It really helps the channel. If you enjoy our content, try our other channels, LackLuster Limited for criminal psychology content, and The Odd Side for paranormal videos. Shirts and other merchandise are available at the Teespring store. Memberships start at just $1 if you'd like to help further support the channel and get a slick Lack logo next to your name. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. All links are down below.